I'm sick of you foes. You glitches dipping in my mix. I'm about to get ripped on you foes.
So y'all, nigga, we back. We back. Okay, so y'all, today we are about to install a lace unit. Y'all using your one and only Ghost. This is the humidity protection, okay? And it's good for oily scalp. So we are about to hop straight up in this install. Y'all, stick with me, okay? All I gotta say is, so far, I got my cap on. I'm not doing the whole ball method because I don't leave my units on long enough. But I did add some concealer here where my part is gonna be so that it match my skin tone better. But yeah, if your girl fuck up, please, okay? Just don't follow that part. First thing we're gonna do is take some alcohol and clean off our hairline. Got my alcohol, cotton pad. We're gonna clean off this hairline, y'all. This is gonna make it where the glue sticks gonna relieve any residue that may be. Ooh, I just did my eyebrows, y'all. Any glue that may be left on here or any makeup or any whatever it is, okay? So we wanna make sure we clean that hairline real good. That way that glue stick, okay? As y'all see, my edges are not like out, so I'm able to do this type of method, okay, without the ball cap method. And I feel perfectly comfortable because my edges ain't gonna go nowhere because I got a big ass forehead, that's why. So, let me get the unit. Okay, here is the unit, y'all. I already straightened it and everything. Let's put it on, boo, okay? And see what the hell is going on. So y'all, what I'd like to do is hot comb the hair going back. That way you can really distinguish like where your lace is and the hair won't be all in your way when you're trying to place your, you know, your lace. So, okay, so that's a perfect spot on that side. We're just gonna pull this behind my ear over here. It's a good spot on that side. We're just gonna shift our wig until it sits naturally. And I think this is where I want my unit to sit. Look at that part, big. Look at that motherfucking girl part, okay? We about to motherfucking comb that shit back, you heard me? Comb that head back, boo. And I am gonna take lip liner or eyeliner, whatever you wanna call it, and outline where it stops. Where the line stops, all the way around. Little dots. That way, y'all, when we lay this glue, we don't lay it out of place. Okay, we got our outline, y'all. Okay, we got our outline of where, you see? We got our outline where we want our unit to lay. I don't even like to use a whole lot, y'all, because like I said, I take my units off all the time. So here we have it. Do y'all see this? Hope. So now y'all, we got our, lace laid. We got our glue laid. We're gonna come back when this glue is clear, and that's when we're gonna apply the lace, okay? Now, like I said, I'm not doing 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 coats because I'm not gonna leave this hair on long enough to be sitting there, trying to fight and struggle to get it off. So, we're gonna do it like this. We're gonna let it get tacky. And then we're about to come back and lay this MF, okay? You heard me. Let's do it. Be right back, y'all. Okay, so y'all, I lied. I am gonna do a second coat. The reason I'm gonna do a second coat is because I really want to give y'all a good review on this product. Like, I'm about to try to get in the water with it, in the shower, okay? And we're gonna see what the hell is really going on. So, I am gonna do that for y'all. Get y'all a second coat going. Just so for the people, cause some girl, I went up in the store, and I ain't gonna lie, I ain't really no lace glue wearing girl. But when they told me that goddamn, what was that damn glue called? They told me this glue was $42, nigga, what? Now this Ghost Bond, y'all, is $23.99. I said, bitch, what? What alternative do you have, okay? Cause I'm not paying no damn $42 for no little ass bottle of glue now. But I get it, it's probably worth it and all that. But for those who need alternatives like your girl, for instance, cause I wouldn't about to pay that. This is for you. I want to give y'all a really good review on this product. And I think the other one was Bold Hold. I think that's what it was, Bold Hold. I said that Bold Hold had me bugged up, yeah? Okay. So after this coat dry, y'all, we're gonna let this lace down. One thing I can say, y'all, I'm so grateful that I got a big forehead, okay? Because some of these chicks out here be having a hard time wearing like closures and things like that because their hair is all the way on their forehead and shit. Well, guess what? Your girl got this big forehead, okay? I can make my hairline, nigga. Okay, that's all I'm saying. We're gonna be back to lay this. Just give it a couple more minutes, y'all. I gotta wait till this coat get clear. Then we're gonna lay this shit down, okay? We're gonna see how this shit work in the shower too. We're gonna do it all together, period. And we're back. Okay, so y'all, as y'all can see, our glue is pretty much clear and ready. So what we gonna do is, we about to place this damn lace, you heard me. So I'm going on this side. Oops, hold on. Pull my lace up. Make sure you place it right where you put it. Okay? Because it ain't no fun. You know what I'm saying? Having shit out of place. And then you have to try to get all this glue off. Okay, so far we got that part placed. Now we're gonna place this at right where you place that glue. So now, y'all, that we got it down, we're gonna take elastic band, put it directly around where you just laid that lace down. You heard me? And tie it down. Double tie it just so you can know it's there and it's in there. Tightly. Nice and tight now. Make sure it's right around where I can't express it more. You just lay that lace down. You gotta adjust it to make sure it's in the right spot. Do what you gotta do, honey. Okay, we got our elastic band on. So in the process, I'm gonna take a pressing comb and I'm gonna continue styling to make sure all my hair is good and in place and where I want it to be. And yeah, we about to wait a good little 15, I'm gonna wait a good 15, 20 minutes because your girl need to make sure. Okay, but that shit is down. And you could even like put a little hairspray before you lay this down and that'll make it dope too, that'll make it last. So, let me go ahead and get to hitting this. Let me heat my pressing comb up and I'm gonna be back and be bumping all the parts that I need to bump to make sure my hair looking flawless, sis, okay? Y'all, if y'all ever have a problem with hair sticking up, flyaways and things like that, I have a wax stick that I like to use that you guys can also use. And it you dab it on there like that. And it pretty much lay everything down the way that you want it to be. And to keep those flyaways away. And you can use a holding spray maybe to put on top or whatever the case may be. So I'm about to give it a few more minutes, y'all, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna take this off, okay? Then we're gonna lay our baby hairs. Okay, y'all, we taking it off.
You know what it feels like your girl is good, you know they gonna be out of the you know what I'm saying? Like, girls like her, I think a lot of girls with a lot of us. You know what I said?
So for this, we're gonna cut this. Sideburn over here. Okay, so now y'all see it look good already, boo. It look good already. No, some real shit. I'm gonna say we don't really need baby hairs like this. So now we just cut down some of these hairs that I had out for the baby hairs. Okay. See, these baby hairs I use all the time, so they already out and ready. So y'all, for the baby hairs, we are going to use Tropical Roots Moisturizing Sculpting Foam. And then we're going to use a edge brush. So we just gonna put some on the edge brush. Roll it all over our edges that we have out. Now we gonna sculpt these edges, boo. So yeah, my edges are done. Now I'm going to lay a silk scarf over them until they are dry. So let's do that. And then we're gonna do a reveal, okay?
You know what I'm saying? One thing, it's me. You got it, got my number. Hit me, but she gonna text. Yo, I mean, maybe I'm full tomorrow.
Okay, y'all, so I had this on for a while and it's time to take it down so y'all can see this reveal. Y'all ready? Ooh. That caught a headache for a minute. God damn, anybody else be catching headaches when they... Ooh, let's get it. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Ooh, look at Boo. Do y'all see this shit? Girl that went in. Do you see this? Honey. Okay. Mama done went in. Okay? Look at that. Do you see this shit? Bro, let me. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm excited. This is my first time using Ghost Bond and actually doing an install with glue and things like that. Now, what I will do probably tomorrow is break these down. I want them to stay hard for like a day, and then I'll soften them up tomorrow. But I like this look though. Oh my gosh. Mama ready. Mama is ready, okay? Do you see it? Look at this. Okay, y'all, comment down below what y'all think, man. I'm super excited. I like it. And then I can also, feel me, if I need to, be it. Come on now, I might put a flip in my bang around just so y'all can motherfucking see. You heard me? Just so y'all can see what the hell going on over there. Y'all can do a half up, half down if I want to. You feel me? So what y'all think? Comment down below. How y'all think I did? Comment down below. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. And as always, it's your girl, Chingaling, anything. And I will be back again with another one for y'all. So comment down below what the hell y'all want to see, okay? Bye, y'all.
Make me the one. I love you so much. I wanna be yours. I love you so damn much. What is it gonna be? Are you and me? I love everything. The thought is so sweet. So come on and let me